How to cancel LinkedIn Premium and get refund. Before canceling, consider your reasons. Are you not seeing results or just adjusting your budget? If you're sure, you can cancel via your browser or iOS device. On browser, these steps will guide you through the process of how to cancel LinkedIn Premium on your browser. Step 1. Access your LinkedIn account. Firstly, log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Make sure that you are logging into the correct account associated with your LinkedIn Premium subscription. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Click your profile picture and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage Premium Subscription. In the Account tab under Subscriptions, you'll find the option to cancel your LinkedIn Premium. Step 4. Select a cancellation reason. LinkedIn will ask you to select a reason for your cancellation. Choose the most appropriate reason from the provided drop-down menu. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. LinkedIn will then show your subscription details and benefits. To finalize, click Continue to cancel. After that, LinkedIn may ask for optional feedback before canceling. After cancellation, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep it for your records. Finally, check your account page to ensure premium access is removed. Now, to request a refund for LinkedIn Premium, go to the LinkedIn Consumer Refund Policy page, click Submit Your Account for Review, then select Request Account Review and submit. And that's basically how to cancel LinkedIn Premium and get a refund. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.